we're getting ready to kill the chickens. Alright. Fast little son of a bitch. Shooter, wait your turn. Shooter, wait.
Those ladies lost their man. So we're just gonna take the breasts off these chickens because there's some really old birds. And honestly, right now, I don't have a ton of freezer space, so this is kind of what it's gonna be. Camp robbers are flying in looking for scraps of the rooster we just butchered.
All right, who's next? So we realized chickens go through phases where they don't lay as much, and we could have tried different food and things, but I'm currently 33 weeks pregnant, and Jeff works a full-time job, so I take care of the chickens. And the bigger I get, the harder it is for me to get around, and when there's ice outside, the chances of falling increase, obviously. And when our daughter gets here, I just don't want to think about chickens, especially if they're not laying eggs. Clean off all the chicken. They didn't have very big breasts on them. It's harder to clean stuff, to get all the feathers or whatever off of your meat when you don't have running water. That's all of them. So, this is how much we got. A pound.
Pound of chicken breast?
A pound of chicken breast from 6 chickens.
These are not meat chickens.
No. They stopped laying eggs. So they were freeloading. They're pretty much the same. So 2 meals we'll get out of those 6 chickens. So we have a super small freezer. As you can see, it's very full at the moment. So, to get these little guys to fit, we'll just have to move some stuff around. Got it. We have some very good puppies here. All right. Puppy dog treats. Shh. Easy. Wait. Wait. Easy. Okay. All right, sit. Let's try this again. See. Wait. Wait. Okay. Good catch.